Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Sky-Dweller in full white gold. This represents the original variant of the watch launched at the inception of the line in 2012. You're looking at reference number 326939, full bracelet case, white gold construction, 249 grams. It's massive. The annual calendar GMT Sky-Dweller is 42 millimeters in diameter, as I measured here. You can see in profile 13.9 millimeters thick. From lug tip to lug tip, just the case, 50.5 millimeters. Add the end links of the oyster bracelet, and it is a little bit broader at 50.1 millimeters across the wrist. That's 51.1 across the wrist, and then 21 millimeters is the spacing between the lugs. Now we'll throw this open. We'll throw this on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. And it's large, but it does fit. I'd recommend this watch for a wrist my size or larger. So if your wrist is 16 centimeters circumference like mine or bigger, game on. You're going to be able to wear this just fine. If your wrist is smaller, it could be a challenge. But I will say this, the watch is nicely sloped and it's not as thick as you expect, so it will fit under a dress cuff. And on a more ornate and formal variant of the watch, black dial, white gold, full bracelet, it's good to know that you can wear it with formal attire and long sleeves. Taking a look at the watch, one of the things I like most about this full bracelet model is that it has a heavy watch head, as all the Sky-Dwellers do, but it also has a nice bracelet and clasp to counterbalance it, so if you wear it loose, it's not going to move around too much. The case, as well as the bracelet and the clasp, made of gray gold, which is a type of 18-karat white gold that needs no rhodium plating and is the same color all the way through. It is the good stuff. Taking a quick look, you can see the end link is conforming, so it mates it cleanly to the case. Then the links taper down towards the clasp. We have removable links here fixed in place using screws, so if you want to remove them, you can do so with a jeweler's screwdriver. We have the 5 millimeter snap in, snap out, easy link, tool-free adjustment. So you've got some adjustability there without requiring any kind of a tool. And then inside the clasp, you can see that from this angle, there are 3 pairs of divots, and you can dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point of the bracelet. It's another way you can fine-tune the fit. We have a spring-loaded beacon hook system, and these two things lock together to give you a degree of security when it's closed. It's not a simple friction fit mechanism. It's actually a lift lock like that, so you have to lift and unlock, and that's how that works. We have a screw down crown. You can see here it is a twin lock in gold because it has 2 dots. Screw down crown, screwed in oyster style case back. We have 100 meters of water resistance. And you can see that the case is relatively simple. Well, it is a large watch. It has a graceful profile. It's almost like a big Datejust in terms of its case lines. And this is not the super case associated with the Explorer 2s, the GMTs, Sea Dwellers, Subs, and the Deep Seas. It is quite graceful and elegant. It's just big. Taking a look at the bezel, it's fluted. That's a long-time signature of a precious metal bezel at Rolex, but this is actually more. That's called ring command. That bezel is part of the movement. The crown, when screwed out to the first position, can be used to wind the watch, but if the bezel is justified all the way clockwise, pull the crown out, it doesn't do anything. Now you turn the bezel 1 click counterclockwise. Now, look how I can adjust the date and the month forward and backwards. This is an annual calendar, so you only need to correct it once annually during the jump from February to March. And look how the 12 hours are stand-ins for the 12 months of the year. So, for example, 8 is August. The 29th of August. I'm looking at the 29th of August. Watch that little red index. Now I'm looking at the 3rd of September. That's how you read it. You read the date and you read the month. And it is bidirectional. Based on wheels, Rolex calls this the Saros system because in some ways it's similar to the way the planets orbit the sun, but it's bidirectional and it's very resilient. But note the watch is still keeping time. Now we turn another click counterclockwise. Now I can advance the local hour hand. Note the watch is still ticking. I can jump the date forward but not backwards in this mode. Finally, I turn the bezel all the way. Easier when you don't have gloves, counterclockwise. Now hacking seconds is activated. Everything is stopped. I can set the watch to a reference time, but I can also set this 24-hour inner reference ring. So right there, for example, I'm going to set it to 8:20, roughly speaking. So That is 20, so that's 8 p.m., 8:20, just like that. That's how you read it. Then you go one click, again, easier to do without gloves. One click clockwise, now I set my local time. And then one more click, one more click clockwise, and I can set my calendar to wherever I want it to be. And then one final click, and now all those setting modes are disabled. So it is a bidirectional automatic winder with a rotor on a bearing, not the older Rolex jeweled staff system. 4 Hertz beat rate, 40 joules, 72-hour power reserve, stop seconds, bidirectional quick set for the annual calendar, independent 24 and 12-hour time zones. It's got a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance and overcoil hairspring, so it's positionally agnostic. It will keep excellent time in any physical position on your wrist or your dresser at night. That overcoil hairspring is made of a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy Rolex calls Power Chrome Blue. It is incredibly anti-magnetic. Everything in this movement is Rolex. The lubricants are developed and made by Rolex. The shock protection Paraflex is Rolex's own in-house. And the movement is adjusted in 5 positions and conforms to the standards of the COSC Swiss chronometer test. And this watch has a movement that is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer. It is a jack of all trades, and there's one more you should see. It does have a little bit of luminescence. So reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. And one last detail, people ask about the dial. It is a matte black with white gold applique numerals. It is not a gloss lacquer. It is a matte black. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a Certified Pre-Owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.